Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a comment notification on Instagram, turning on vibration alerts is a great way to stay updated. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable vibration specifically for Instagram comments, so you'll always feel that buzz when someone interacts with your posts. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings menu. This is where you can control all the apps and notifications on your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Instagram. This will open up all the options related to the Instagram app. Now, look for the notifications section and tap on it. This is where you can customize how Instagram sends you alerts, including sounds, banners, and vibrations. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see something called notification categories. Tap on this option to see a detailed list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Here, you'll want to find the category labeled comments. This is the specific setting that controls notifications for when someone leaves a comment on your posts or photos. Once you've found comments, tap on it. You'll see a few different options, including one labeled Vibrate. Simply toggle this switch on. When the toggle turns blue or green, vibration for comment notifications is now active. That's it. Now, whenever someone comments on your Instagram post, your phone will vibrate, making it easier than ever to stay connected and respond quickly. If you ever want to turn off vibration, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite social media apps. Stay tuned for more easy tutorials just like this one.